Everybody, we've got Lego City Set 60356 Bear Stunt Bike. It's one of those wind-up ones. I did a couple of these before. Check it out. Check out the front. The sides have your warnings. The back shows you that you can make it go. Crazy bear. Like a minifigure in a bear costume. Here he is without his costume on. He's still got crazy hair. I really like that. Bought this because of the minifigure. Just kind of an out there, crazy minifigure, like it. Okay, let's get this open and we'll start building. Shouldn't take too long. It says only 10 pieces. Nice. All right, we'll get going here in a second. Okay, let's get this open. Lego City Set 60356 Bear Stunt Bike. And there's that minifigure I like. And he's in his bear costume. Let's see, here's the thumb punch right here. Handlebars. There it goes. That's about it. Quick. Nice. There he is. I like it. All right, there we have it. Lego City Set 60356 Bear Stunt Bike. Like I said, I got this for the minifigure. Just an out there crazy bear costume. He's got some images on the front of his stunt jacket here. He's got a bear on the back, crazy mask. Take it off. And he's got this crazy hair that goes on. Yeah, it looks great. So if you're in the minifigures, pick this one up. It's about $8. I'll put some close-up shots so you can see the mask better and his jacket he's wearing. All right. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any sets you want me to build, any Lego sets. All right. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day, everybody.